Guys, good job. We're on our way home.
Yeah.
Yeah. I fell asleep when I was with you guys.
Sorry, dude. Any final thoughts?
Me?
Yeah.
I'll definitely be back out. This is a lot of fun.
How about you?
I'm gonna make sure I have a full battery.
Right on.
This is a fucking riot, man. You can't keep me away with real guns.
Excellent. What?
Me?
Yeah.
You want my insight?
Yeah.
I think it's a well put on organization.
Damn straight.
Event for sure. Definitely.
All right.
Yeah.
Go for Charlie and the mom. We're coming home. Woo! Yeah. Wasn't bad for another slack. Batteries and ammo were cut.